This week has been a very profitable week with nice trade opportunities, and here I caught this buy trade on Volatility 101S index, getting my entries at this point. You can see how far price has bought from my buy zone. My 3 TPs has been smashed, expecting my last TP as my TP4 to get smashed soon in the coming minutes. Over $600 profit back on this trade, and this trade signal was shared to my VIP members. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on my fire trade signals and on the higher probability trade setups I share. To join my Telegram channel, link is in this video description and is pinned on this video comment section, so click to join and don't miss out. So catching this buy trade on this index, I started my analysis on the daily time frame where I spotted this previous structure. As we can see, this index has been on a downtrend, created series of lower highs and series of lower lows, a long bearish run would say. And in the past days, we've been getting some bullish presence in the market. We've had some bullish days, about 6 to 7 bullish days, counting from this first candle, this green candle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We've had 7 bullish days, indicating the bullish presence on this index, on this market. And I expect more bullish days. Price buying to this next zone, this level basically, and being that price is on a level, a historical level currently, is a buy possibility. Checking the past move on this level, the past reactions, we can see price bought here as a support, previously gave this little buy as a support, sold on this retest as a resistance, we got this little sells, there was a break at retest, price drop resistance, and currently price broke above this level, giving a retest of it, which I expect the buys as a support. Price buying to this next level, the level of 8,825, because that's where the next zone is at. There's a gap created, a bearish gap, which I expect the bulls, the buyers to come fill up. So we can say the market is currently on a bullish structure. We've got series of higher lows and series of higher highs at this point. So this gave me the buy expectations on this index. Yeah, so I analyzed further to the 4-hour time frame, identifying this reversal pattern formation that is forming up here. This is an inverted head and shoulders pattern, having the left shoulder formed here, the head at this point, and the right shoulder which is forming up currently. Yeah, so I'm looking to take advantage of the right shoulder formation, expecting a buy move on this index. And price currently rejected from a historical level of support, as we can see here, spotting it out. We've got this level, the level of 8,638, having passed histories on this level as well. Price bought as a support, bought support here, faked out a sell move, pushed up as a support as well. We got the sells here, resistance, price bought, this retest support, and this last buys as a support. Following up is this next historical level, which we've got price breakout of here, and this level was a strong level of resistance which price has sold on in the past, getting the sales resistance. Always able to spot out these levels and the reactions on these levels. It would help with knowing your key reaction zones and trade zones in the market. Got the sales are resistance, price bought on this retest. There was a break and retest, price bought support here, sold resistance, and the buy is expected on price retesting this level at the moment, which I actually took advantage of, and is also the right shoulder formation of this inverted head and shoulders bullish reversal pattern. So I expect the buys on this index, and price is buying already. So analyzing further to the 1-hour time frame, I identified this previous structure, which was a bearish structure. Price has created series of lower highs as seen here and series of lower lows. So we got a clear break of structure at this point where these previous highs got broken, and a break of trend as well. This trend resistance level also got broken. Afterwards, price consolidated, had series of equal highs and equal lows formed at this point, and seeing this consolidation, I knew that the buyers are building up their buying power to push price to the upside, in that the market is in an uptrend overall on the daily time frame and is resting on a historical level of support as well, same as the 4-hour time frame. The market is in an uptrend with series of higher highs and series of higher lows, in addition to this bullish reversal pattern that is forming up, and this historical level of resistance that's been broken. Price is trading above it at the moment. So on this consolidation, I expect the breakout to the upside, and you can see how far price has pushed up. All I did was to mark out this zone and wait for price to come give a retest of it for my entries. This is more like the consolidation resistance level that's been broken and retested, now turned support, at this point here. This retest, I stacked up the buys, which we can see how nice price has pushed up. My TP1 to TP3 has been smashed, expecting my TP4 to get smashed soon in the coming minutes and hours. And for more confirmations on my buy zone, I went to the 15 minutes time frame, picking out these two swing points, this swing low and this swing high, bringing up the Fibonacci retracement to placing it on this recent swing low and dragging it up to the recent swing high, and you can see that my buy zone aligns with this 50.0 Fib level, which is a confirmed and respected Fibonacci retracement level, confirming the buys on this index. So on price selling to my buy zone, I stacked up the buys with my stop loss at this point, and you can see how far price has bought. Over 3:1 profit target on this trade has been met, expecting more buys to my TP4, which should give about 5:1 risk to reward on this trade. And this trade buy signal was shared to my VIP members. Don't miss out on my fire trade signals and on the higher probability trade setups I share. To join my Telegram channel, link is in this video description and is pinned on this video comment section, so click to join and don't miss out. Good profits backed already, holding a few positions to run up to my targets and playing safe by moving my stop loss above my entry. So that is, guys, that was able to catch this nice buy trade on Volatility 101S index. So for more trade reviews like this and trade breakdown, do it to smash the like button, drop a good comment on this video and subscribe if you're ready to subscribe. And to my returning viewers, I appreciate your support for always engaging in my videos. It really means a lot, guys. Let's do more and do have a wonderful day.